I guess welcome back to As What Channel Reading Hobbies. Today I'm going to do a review about a problem that I encountered just now, which is it is stuck. So a press system is a fill extrude AMS light slot filament. So the extruder may be clogged or the filament may be too thin, causing the extruder to slip. So basically I never encountered this. Try to cut it but it's stuck because it is paused from the operation. So basically, we try to release this, open the rubber, and then the gouge, and open it, and then try to release the clock. So never counted this because it's not moving. I try to cut it. So maybe the best way is to restart my operation and quit the printing first. Okay, once, but it's still stuck. So I never counted this. So I need to try this. Now it's moving. Basically, we should go to setting and then we go to maintenance. I tried to print this actually. I don't know why it's stuck. See this? Stuck. So you're gonna use this and just pull it up. So careful. This one is, I think it's aluminium. It's not hot. But down here, steel one, steel element is still hot. So this is where it's stuck. I think because the shape of this filament is not consistent, so it's stuck. Now I'm trying to reprint it back. Careful, just touch the fan over here. Careful. So far, you can look at the assistant. It still have this problem. And try to look at it if it's already fixed or not. Nozzle temperature abnormal. So you need to be actually in maintaining mode. Try to look at it. It now goes to beyond 200 degrees Celsius. So look at it's still stuck or not. Which old filament because I removed the old filament. So basically, it will take the new one. Look if it's fixed. Let's need to figure out something else. What's happening? It's because I think what happened is because this area right here is having some problem. So I'm gonna pause it for a while. So I think it's because of this tangle here. to remove it first, then try to insert back. Now it goes back to normal. But this one is using another filament, I guess. Here it looks like it's back on. The thing is back on business. Thank you for watching. See you guys next one. Ciao. Okay, now it's done.